You're thinking about buying a used Tesla, aren't you? Maybe you've been eyeing that Model S or drooling over a used Model 3. But before you hand over that hard-earned cash, there's one burning question. Does the Tesla battery warranty transfer to the new owner? I mean, let's face it. The battery is the heart of an electric car. It's the most expensive component, and it's the one thing that can potentially leave you stranded or shelling out thousands in repair costs. So, when you're investing in a used Tesla, you want to know that you're covered, right? Now, this isn't just about peace of mind. It's about making a smart financial decision. A used Tesla with a transferable battery warranty is like finding a golden ticket. It means you're not just buying a car, you're buying into a long-term investment. But here's the kicker, it's not always straightforward. Let's break it down. Tesla offers two main warranties, the New Vehicle Limited Warranty and the Used Vehicle Limited Warranty. The New Vehicle Limited Warranty covers the entire car, including the battery, for a specific period. But what happens when the car is no longer new? That's where the Used Vehicle Limited Warranty kicks in. Now, here's the good news, Tesla's Used Vehicle Limited Warranty is transferable. That means if you buy a used Tesla from a previous owner, the remaining warranty coverage will transfer to you. This is a huge plus, especially if the car is still relatively new. But wait, there's more. The length of the battery warranty can vary depending on the model and the year. Some models have longer battery warranties than others. And to complicate things further, there might be differences in warranty coverage based on where you live. So, how do you figure out if the Tesla battery warranty on that used car you're eyeing actually transfers to you? Well, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to determine the exact warranty coverage for the specific car you're interested in. This information can usually be found on Tesla's website or by contacting a Tesla service center. Next, you need to verify that the previous owner has properly transferred ownership of the car to Tesla. This is crucial because the warranty is tied to the car's VIN, not the original owner. If the ownership transfer hasn't been done correctly, you might be out of luck. And let's talk about battery degradation. Even with a warranty, battery capacity will naturally decline over time. This is normal, but it can affect the car's range. So, it's important to consider the battery's current health when buying a used Tesla, even if it has a warranty. One more thing to keep in mind, while Tesla offers a warranty, it doesn't cover everything. Certain types of battery damage, like physical impacts or water damage, might not be covered. So, it's essential to inspect the car thoroughly before buying. To sum it up, the Tesla battery warranty can transfer to a new owner, but it's not always a guaranteed deal. The specifics depend on the car's model, age, and your location. Do your research, ask the right questions, and understand the terms of the warranty before you make a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.